Hey guys, Mark here. I hope you are well. Today we have a fast and easy project to do. We are going to stitch in a spider into a cobra knot paracord bracelet. Here is our little project for today. I am sure that many of you are able to do this without any tutorial. But for those that would like a bit more detail on how to do this, let's get into the supplies and into stitching. For the supplies, the first thing that you need is a bracelet to stitch. This is the cobra knot paracord bracelet. Basically, it is made out of square knots. It is also referred to as the Solomon bar or the Portuguese sinnet. Secondly, a piece of microcord is going to be needed. The length of my piece is about a foot, so 30 centimeters. I recommend using a lacing needle for your stitching. It makes it faster and easier. Finally, scissors and a lighter are used to cut and melt your cords. Let's begin stitching. For the stitching, we start on the underside and pass our strand under a couple of strands to lock it off. So this is going to hold the standing hand. Like this. We then come to the top through a square knot. We pass over the top to the left side in between two square knots. Like this. Then up on the other side through a square knot. And back down to the other side in between two square knots. So these are the legs. We are now going to do the body. So we are going to come up through the center of the cobra knot bracelet. So up through here. Like this, pass over the top and back down. Like this. And again up through the center. Like this, over the top and back down. Then the final step is to do these two horizontal strands. So simply come up on one side, like this, come across and down on the other side. Tighten up firmly and repeat. Like this. And this is the spider stitch. Finish up the end by again placing it under a couple of strands, just to secure it. You can now trim the end. And with that, our little stitch is complete. So guys, that's the spider stitch. Super easy and fast to do. A great way to spice up your cobra knot bracelets. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my future tutorials as well.